So this week I'm going to share the song I Love to Tell the Story. I've started learning this week. It's fairly easy, so let's go ahead and get started. So it's going to be in the key of C, and the chords are going to be C, F, and G, A minor, and then E major. Okay, so let's play through the first verse once through. So this song is in a double or quadruple time, so you'll be playing one strum per beat, or which is two strums per chord symbol that you see on the song sheet. Right, so let's go through the first verse slowly. I love to tell the story of unseen things above, of Jesus and His glory, of Jesus and His love. I love to tell the story because I know 'tis true. It satisfies my longings as nothing else can do. I love to tell the story, to be my theme in glory, to tell the old story of Jesus and His love. So grab your song sheets and we'll play through all three verses. And you're going to see that I'm going to be playing the strumming pattern down, down, up, okay, which sounds like this. Okay. I love to tell the story of unseen things above, of Jesus and His glory, of Jesus and His love. I love to tell the story because I know 'tis true. So I hope you enjoyed this hymn. I think it's a beautiful hymn. Again, quite easy to play, and hope this helps you get started with your ukulele playing. See you next time.